Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen clearly. So I'd like us to start off analysis with a chart on my screen. We are going to start off with this is Euro USD. We are looking at a possible sell scenario. We have a very good support here. So we have a support zone. We had a support zone. The price consolidated within that area for some times. Then it successfully broke and closed below it. So as it is right now, we are actually looking at this level. We do expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards up to somewhere below 1.08327. If the price can break and close below it, that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. We do expect that the sellers will push us much lower, at least up to this level. If that level is broken, the next target is this one. So expect a break below this point and then a continuation downwards towards this point. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. So that's my opinion. The next chart is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, so far we've seen a crash to the lower side. We've seen a crash to the lower side. The price moved massively to the lower side, and as we're still talking now, the price looks like it's still downwards. So we have a very good support here. This is a very good support zone that if the price does not break and close below it, that should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So look at just how nicely we had a resistance. There's a break above. We have a support. As we are talking right now, that is going to give us a good place to look for a buy from. We will expect that the bars will push us upwards towards 31607.22. So that should be my opinion. On Bitcoin. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, Brent oil. With Brent oil so far, we do have a level here. This is also a good resistance level. This is the point where we expect a bullish breakout to happen from. It is 88.157. If the price should ascend and close above it, it will be a good place to continue looking for buy positions. We do expect that the bars will push us massively to the upper side from around that area. So keep looking for buy orders, keep looking for buy positions. If the price goes above 88.157, expect it to continue upwards towards this line. We have a support, a break below, we have a resistance, So these are the key levels we're looking at on this chart. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far the price is in a very good uptrend. You can see the price is headed long. So the price is heading upwards on this chart. We do have a support here. This is where if the price is to retrace back downwards, then this will be the place where to watch from 145.053 or 144.801. So should the price pull back and touch it, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. We have this line 145.053 and 144.801. This is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. We expect that the bars will push us upwards up to around 146.597. So that is my opinion on that chart. The other look at, I'd like us to look at GBP USD. I'm sorry. We have it here. This is bearish. We have a downtrend. So we have a downtrend on GBP/USD. There's a resistance here. We are having a very good resistance here. We have another one here. So this right here, we do have a support, we have a support, we have a support, then you have a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, and a resistance. As we are talking right now, we do expect that the sellers will push price downwards at least up to 126.130. So expect a move downwards up to somewhere around this level. If this zone is broken, expect the price to continue downwards towards this level. This is this is 1.24965. So that is my opinion, and that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. Sir, we'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you.